Hey guys, I'm glad you're here. Today's project is this Husqvarna backpack blower. And the problem is it's been sitting in storage for many years and now it won't start. Just by the cobwebs clinging to it, you can tell this thing has been in storage for a very long time. Before the backpack blower came into my possession, an attempt was made to start it, but unfortunately it did not start for them. If we prime the fuel system, we can see the gas moving through the fuel lines. This is a good sign as it shows that the metering diaphragm is in good shape. And unfortunately it did not start for us, so let's try spraying some starter fluid in the carburetor and try starting it. Well, it did run for us, but the odd thing was it ran for more than a few seconds. I wonder if there's something else going on. At this point, I hadn't checked the gas in the tank because it came with me with gas in it. I think it's a good time to pour it out and check what's in the gas tank. This doesn't look like the right color of gasoline, and also it looks like there's also water in the gasoline as well. And if we let it sit for a few minutes, the gas in the water finally starts to separate like a lava lamp. Let's put some fresh gas in it and then try starting it once again. This goes to show you how important it is to actually check your gas and the condition of the gas, otherwise you'll find yourself diving in and trying to rebuild a carburetor that didn't need it. Thanks for watching Inside House Garage. Like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.